wait for another 5 minutes for the geyser restore. Yeah, hello, good evening. Sorry for delay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So, how were
Evening,
you
sir.
able to fill the feasibility question?
Um,
We
yes,
have
sir.
filled, sir, but we have a lot of doubts.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's how, yes. But, but let us look at one of the feasibility questions.
Sure.
Sure, sir.
Visible my screen?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, let's review it together. You can stop me wherever you have any doubts or queries. Institution name, okay. Hospital type of institute, correct. Here you have written as Dr. A. Sriram, but you have not written any designation, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it should be covered.
Okay, sir.
Medical and manpower infrastructure list. Department tested. It is complete. Supply critical research. So here we have mentioned as S. If you can see, yes, please provide research staff details in department wise as separate attachment. So I will send the attachment.
No, sir.
CV have you attached?
Yes, sir. I didn't attach any of the
Yeah. So
required, sir.
while you're sending any feasibility, you have to attach CVs of concerned person, like PI, COE, lab heads.
Okay, sir.
So did you understand this question? Like name of the authorized signatory, everyone?
Yes, sir. Like
is authorized to sign on CTS agreements. So your ethics company does not have fees to review. It will do it for free.
Sir, actually, I thought, sir, this Tom told us to fill for the market purpose. So I filled it like, sir, by assumption, sir. Actually, we are not having it.
No. See, there will be some fee actually. There will be some fee for ethics company to review protocols, like review studies. So it will always be SCI. So it will be like 20,000, 30,000. So you have to write
Okay, sir. I will do.
3 copies. Format for applying ethics committee are provided, yes, but if there is
It's like job printed. How many do you want to do?
see here you have written hard drives and cloud data archive. So where are you going to upload the clinical trial documents? So here space for archival of data, okay, generally means storage, okay, not soft copy.
Okay, sir.
Understood? So though they write it as archival of data after completion of trial. So space means space is required for archival of documents, right? Hard disk space is nothing. So you should write like storage area where is available after trial is completed. Where are you going to store? You have you write yes. You do not have, you can tick no, and you can write sponsor archival is requested.
Oh, okay.
Till here, I think it is sufficient. It's, I think this is
Sir, whose signature has to be done over there?
Mm-hmm.
Signature part.
Signature part here is done. So actually, this is a continuation of different types of feasibility templates. Okay. So up till page number 15 or page number 16, we can write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Specialty pharmacy practice.
John and the group who combined with correct.
PI cost per patient, cost of the procedure. This, how did you come up with?
So, sir, I simply put, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
See, I am interested to conduct this trial because
Paper John.
see, if you are interested to conduct the trial, no
We have
reasons
to
are
tick.
required.
Just ticking is enough.
Okay, sir.
You can tick it, but if the reasons are for if you are not interested to conduct this trial,
Okay, sir.
so you should not write. I am interested to conduct. This is Mahalakshmi. Are you constructing a house?
It's very
So there is a lot of
transfer copies.
disturbance coming from.
March later.
Because studies conducted as per ICH GCP guidelines and CT rules, you are interested in so you have to conduct it anyhow according to those guidelines. Okay, great. You've done a good job. So, does anyone have any doubts in this?
There is this page where it is written like, is the site affiliated with any site management organization? Over there,
Okay.
and under in that page, can you just go through that?
Yeah, sure.
I think it's page 7. Yeah. Whose name and signature is required? I have done director's name and signature.
No. Here, site management organization it's an organization, separate organization called SMO. So, what they do is they take some sites and they manage the sites. Like when doctor does not have staff or he is not able to do it on himself or the hospital is not able to do on themselves, they approach SMOs. Okay. So now SMO will their SMO will take care of the documentation what is happening there. So that is called a site management organization. It's not many such groups, but
So signature and not required over here.
not required. If the it is related with SMO, then the SMO person should sign there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Otherwise, it's not. So,
Investigate.
problem. So here they have filled it as
That they are in already. So Siam's also already.
okay. Do you have clinical research staff, investigator, CRC? Actually, this column has to be here. You can write sub-i's name, okay, and that additional research staff will study. Any other the
In disease profile,
number?
page number 10,
Okay.
10, 11, 11, I guess 11.
Yeah. Huh.
Yeah, here. A standard of care. What does it mean? Guidance.
Guidelines.
In
Yes.
a trial feasibility questionnaire, that section, pre-trial feasibility questionnaire. So once after the
Okay.
protocol, like uh, after we
No, no, not necessarily. You need some synopsis also. You will fill based on synopsis.
okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Then in page number 15, there is this thing called, do you have colleagues who might be interested in participating in this study? So over there, do we have to write sub-investigators details, or like research nurse or CRC, all those
No,
details?
no. OA details.
Sorry, sir?
Investigators who will be willing to participate.
Okay, sub-investigators, right? Mm.
Yeah.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, in page number 12, I'm having doubts that
Page number 2. Yes.
sir, in this, I didn't understood, sir, like enrollment time projected and actual. I thought it is the projected time. We thought 2 months, but it actually took 3 months. Like that, I thought and I feel, sir. So, what it is, sir, exactly?
Projected time means in the beginning of study what was projected, like enrollment time. And enrollment time is sometimes increased or decreased. So that's the
Yes.
actual enrollment time, where the subjects can be enrolled.
Okay, sir. Sir, enrollment number also like that only, no, sir? Like 100 is projected, but actually 70 are enrolled.
Correct, correct.
Ah, okay.
Anything else? This is not it. सॉरी उससे मिल नहीं पाया वो आने वाला है ठीक no further queries. So did everyone
No, sir.
fill this questionnaire?
I felt so.
Yeah, because I did not receive complete mails.
I feel imagining hospital. I get a data from in a real hospital or something. Is that okay, sir?
Yeah, who's this?
This is Shreepriya.
Yeah. Who's this?
Sir Shreepriya, can you hear me?
Shripriya, yeah. I can hear you, Shripriya. You were saying?
Yeah. So I didn't get the data from the real hospital or
No
something.
issues.
So
It's just a practice. If you get real data, you write real data. But you should do
okay.
how you will be writing, right?
Hmm.
So
Okay.
all of you, did you get an idea, like understanding how you
Yes.
should write? What's the process of collecting data? So
Yes, sir.
this is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah. So that's all. It's research is just about doing it. That's all. You are reading 10 guidelines, 20 data. Okay. So shall we move on to?
Sir,
Oh, yeah, please.
one more doubt. There is this CV, attach your CVs and MRC is there, right? What does MRC mean?
Medical registration certificate.
Oh, okay, fine.
So like these are the, let us say, like jargons. Like in WhatsApp you use na LOL, ROFL, like that. So every field has their own jargons. Like if at the end of this study, once you join, if someone says IU, you should be able to say it's investigator undertaking. Someone says MRC, it is medical registration certificate. FQ means feasibility questionnaire. Like CTA, clinical trial agreement, like that. Getting my point?
Then one more, sir,
Yes,
last
sir.
doubt.
Yeah.
Page number 8, there is this, what are your primary areas of practices with percentage? What does that mean?
So this is page number 8.
Area A, area B. What are your primary areas?
See, this is a general hospital-based questionnaire. Okay. So yeah, this is it. General medicine or oncology or something like that.
Okay.
Primary areas of practice with percentage. Okay, so it will be like only one or two things. Like if you say in oncology, okay,
Yeah.
if in medical oncology, you will be writing writing as breast cancer patients or intensive care, like that, something like that.
Okay, sir.
So this question is comes under investigator, but this will not be framed like this. So this is a generic one which we could find. What they will ask is what percentage of people you see different disease conditions across your practice. Specific questions will be there. So these kind of questions will not be there. So what is your primary areas of practice means? They are asking about setup, like outpatient setup, inpatient setup. You can write that also here, because each PI, each doctor can't do general medicine oncology. So this you should not write here. Like you can write primary areas of practice means what is the setup. So are you, how much percentage you will be working in ICUs? Or if you say a surgeon, let us say oncology surgeon, he will be having consultation, he will be doing surgeries, right? He will be doing counseling. So like the patient care programs, you can write your practice, how it is divided. So that is what it is. Oh, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
in page number 17,
Okay.
schedule of events.
Page number 17. Yes.
Schedule of events.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Yeah. So I didn't understand this part, sir. Like,
Great. Great that you did understand. Because, see, this is related to a protocol. You will be receiving a synopsis, right, for a study. As I said,
okay,
it is not study specific. I just wanted to share with you first the generic copy, like what
okay,
all
okay,
details are there. Let us do study specific also some in later days. Because before actually good documentation practices has to be done, but it is postponed. Let us see in next coming days we will do it. Okay. After the essential documents are complete, you will be able to read how the schedule of assessments are present. I can show you now in essential documents. Okay. Yes.
okay,
So if you see the schedule of events, that means for how many weeks patient will be coming, what kind of test it will be he'll be undergoing, what kind of treatment he'll be undergoing, all those things will be there in schedule of event. It will be a table kind of thing.
okay,
So
understood.
that's what they are asking.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts? So are these classes being useful to you, or do we need any changes? Like,
Usual, sir.
okay. can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
See, there are some essential clinical trial documents. That means the documents which are important, and we can also say they are minimum requirement which should be present in clinical trial. Okay, in site master file, which are used in clinical trials. So you know this process, right? So leaving this green box, which happens at PI sponsor side, every other thing happens at site level, like sponsor contacting PI, agreement signed, feasibility questionnaires. Okay, so only till starting process we have seen at 3 or 4 documents, right? Even our study is not started yet. To upload the sponsor with the requirements we have, with the facility we have, up till now 3 or 4 documents have been generated, correct? So throughout the study conduction process, there will be numerous documents which will be required to be filled and required to be maintained. Okay, these are called as essential documents. So ICH GCP, Indian ICH GCP guidelines has a annexure which mentions all the essential documents which are required prior to the study, during the study, and after conduct of the study. Right. So I'll show you how to download that document. Just go to CDSCO. Okay, this is the site. Anyhow, we will share these documents with you. Clinical trial. Public notices. Here, clinical. You go to CDSCO website, clinical trials, and click on news. Okay, here you will be having good clinical practice guidelines. You can download. So I might have downloaded previously. So okay, this is a 121-page document. It will have all GCP guidelines. So this is the Indian version. Like we have adopted the international guidelines. Most of the guidelines will be same, but there will be few changes here and there. So, but for today, we require the list of documents. So, have you purchased the study binder?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, are you storing the documents there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, you have to maintain and so you have to go to a Word document and create an index. Okay, after listening to these essential documents, you have to prepare an index of document contents, like say, okay, what are documents, and you have to make categories of documents. Okay? If you want, I'll share a template with you. You can fill that. So this is the list of documents. How to read it is they are divided into 3 parts before clinical trial commences. That means sponsor contacts you, and up till site initiation happens, up till that phase, what kind of documentation you need to have. So what kind of documentation you need to have at investigator, with investigator, sponsor, CRO, and ethics committee. Okay, but investigator and CRO most of the times have same documentation. Let us look at mainly concentrate today on investigator level because most of the documents will be same. So there will be yes dot means yes. This circle means not applicable. Understood how to read it?
Yes, sir.
Simple, it's just a list. So let us see all documents which are required prior clinical trial. So investigator brochure should be there. So was investigator brochure discussed with you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So signed protocol should be there, right? So for your reference, there is an option in clinicaltrials.gov to download protocols. So you go to advanced search. The site is clinicaltrials.gov. You can type it as carcinoma. So interventional studies. Okay. You can filter it out. Here